Good morning. I am going to tear down some more papers, and I know before I showed you 6 of them and then I tore them down. I figure I might as well just show you as I tear them down, get it over with faster. Okay, the 2 I'm going to tear down today is called Nana's Kids. It's DCWV, and it looks like she probably has used some of these. And then also this Meant to Be Fab by Paper Studio, and these are really pretty. It's like, I just thought this looks so fun, and the other one looks so classy. So I thought, yeah, I need to get these in there. 30 days of sketches is in October, so it's like I want to have some of these pulled out when I start planning, so that I can have these in my, when I start, you know, putting together kits and stuff. So I thought these 2, I'm sure I could use easily. And look at, and these are all textured. It's like you can feel that it's dimensional and textured, really pretty. I think I might have had a polka dot out of here before. Oh, maybe I won't tear them out. Just don't want to tear them up while I'm tearing them out. Okay, so it looks like there's 2 of each. I always wonder if there's an easier way and I just don't know how to do it, or what. Okay. I know some papers you can tear apart like this, but I haven't had that luck with paper pads. I just want to get out a razor blade, pull it off. This is so pretty. I just can't even tell you. The colors are fabulous, and again, it's all dimensional, a little bit glittery, but it's not the kind of glitter that's going to come off on you. But I had to look before I said that, but I assumed it wasn't, because it seems like it's part of the paper. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Love that. Okay. There we go. That was a little faster. And oh, I must have pulled that off the back. Yeah, I don't know if anybody's got any ideas, because there's more out there. I just brought in 8, but I know that I'm gonna do at least 4 of them, because that I want to have ready for 30 days of sketches. So I love this too. These colors are just so pretty. Okay, I'm not gonna keep picking at that. I'll just pull them off afterwards. And this is, again, it's all raised. I guess it's all like that all the way through. I didn't know. I thought it might just be a few of them. And the stars are raised. All of them are. And look at these borders. They're just, I love this color blue. It's like a periwinkle. So pretty. Oh, that, I tore off some paper off something. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Seemed like that worked a little better when I folded it down. I love these borders. Oh, so pretty. And these are squares. What's that remind me of? 60s? Early 70s? Something about it. I'll be pulling off those little things later. Oh, now these are pink ladybugs. Do we ever have pink ladybugs? I know we have red and orange. I think they're more orange than pink. I don't know if this is pretty paper, but I can't picture using pink ladybugs. But I'll keep it around for a little bit. Now this color of paper I've had before, but it's a lot prettier with that little bitty flower and the glitter in it. In fact, I think I just let some of that color go. But I'll try it with the little flowers in it. They'll be pretty. Oh, and now we're hitting some that doesn't have any glitter. Scissors. There we go. Okay, and this looks like, this I want to put right into birthday section. You know, all this might be really pretty as birthday. It says Nana's Kids is what it says on it, which I think is a really cute title. Okay, so these are all going to be without glitter, it looks like. So there's one of these in there. Now these are still raised. This one isn't though. This is still raised. I like that. All the letters are raised. This one's raised. I'm pretty sure I had a polka dot from this previously, when she said you can just pick out of some of them. And then one day she's like, oh, I'm not really scrapbooking. And she was trying to clean out her garage, so she sent me 4 tubs. Oh, I love this. Love that a lot. And it's dimensional. So pretty. Yeah, the one I had was yellow like this that I'd used before. And I can see there's yellow pull out of here, because it looks like I didn't do a good job tearing it out. Okay, so these are the last 2 of this pad. But I really like that. That's all dimensional. Very pretty papers. Love it. Okay. And then, so that one was Nana's Kids. Okay, and this is meant to be fab, and this just looks so classy. Okay, I'm gonna tear this right off the bat. Okay, and I don't know if I would use, well, I guess if my colors that I was using fit the paper, then I might use the flamingos in this. It's like a turquoise, soft turquoise. Okay, or maybe mint, because this is meant to be fab. And this looks just so classy in the white and the gold. I think this pad really has some classy looking papers. There's 3 of each of these, it looks like. And look at this. I wish my scrapbook room was these colors. These colors. Wouldn't that just be so pretty? Love it, love it. This is really pretty. I'm already trying to think, what am I using this for? And it looks like she might have used one of those. Okay, this looks like, oh, a half a piece. So she maybe used a strip of that with that. So there's 1 1/2 of those. Now this is maybe, I don't know if I like this white with that much gold. That might have to leave. In fact, I think I can take it out now. Let's see if I used a portion of it. I just don't know. I'm not seeing it. Okay, I'm gonna take it out because some things are gonna have to go, and I'm not drawn to that at all. I do like this, the black and gold dots. This is pretty, I like that pattern. I think I'm not in love with the wider gold, especially in that pattern, but this is really pretty. And I love the pineapples. Now, do I like this? I like the colors. I'm gonna put it aside right now. I could maybe use it in a small way where I maybe only used a little bit of it. I don't know. I kind of don't like the big wide with the so much gold, I guess. This is cute. We can all use a little love. Okay, now that, see this, I don't know if I could like that if it was in a small way. Maybe I could like it if just a little piece of it. Okay, I'm gonna save this. Maybe I'll save two and take one out, give it to my friend. She was pretty excited by the Christmas paper I gave her. And there was a couple in there I thought, did I give her those sheets? So I think she got some that I didn't plan on giving her, but that's okay. I got plenty. This is cute. This would be really cute in baby page. So some of those, these I might just end up putting in my color section, or theme section, because this totally looks like baby to me. Some of those ones, it looks so girly. This is cute. This could be used, you know, baby or anything. It looks like she used one of those because there's two. I can always use these. I think Kate Spade when I see that black and white stripe. This is pretty cute. I like the color. This is one color that seems like there's a lot of. It's hard to find a pink that doesn't look corally, a little bit coral. Now, I don't know if I like this. I think I'm not loving it. I'm gonna take it out. Did I ever use just one? Maybe I'll save one paper. Just in case, you know, you just never know when you might need a gold flamingo. This is cute, and this would be cute, baby too. I do think it looks like a classy pad, and maybe because of all the white. Now I'd prefer this to be some other color than black, but I'm sure I can probably use it. And here's feathers. I'm just kind of looking to see what kind of things I might use together. Sure, I can use one of these. Maybe I'll take, I'm gonna take one of these out and one of these out and just give them to my friend. That way it kind of cuts down what I keep. I like this too. But if there's 3, there's 2. Let's see if there's 3. I was gonna pass one off. Now here's pink flamingos. Actually, they're coral flamingos. Okay, and if I end up doing anything with flamingos, there's always a chance I could have 3 kids in it. Okay, or 3 different kids with the pink flamingo. Okay. And did I have 3 of these mint papers. I think I'm gonna give one of those to my friend too. Okay. So I kind of cut it down what I'm keeping a little bit. But I like these. These are fun. Okay. So hopefully that didn't take me as long as usual. But I like these. I think they'll be fun. I love that one pink at the very beginning. This is my favorite. That is just so gorgeous. Love it. Okay, so that's it for today. Tell me if you have either one of these. One is Nana's Kids, and the other one is Mint to be Fab. Okay, so thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow. I know I'm gonna at least tear down 2 more that I might want for 30 days of sketches. So I will see you then. Bye-bye.